Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is December the 18th, 2024. I'm going to do a quick video talking about Decentraland because over the last couple of trade days, you can see right now on the chart, the market has ran 85%. A massive spike has occurred into the market in Decentraland. I'm going to talk about it because now the market is looking like it wants to come back down in price. And there's one very important area that I want to show you that the market in Decentraland needs to hold in order for us to remain bullish. So let's go ahead and break that down real quick. Now I'm zooming out just to show you all that we've covered this cryptocurrency before. And the last time we did a video was back in February 2023 to where we was looking for Decentraland at that time to trend down. You guys can see that's precisely what the market did. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. And let's get rid of these trend lines here. And let's bring it back to where we are at today. Okay, so now, first things first, this is the trend right now in the market in Decentraland, right? So this is the overall trend for this cryptocurrency. And you can see that we're on our way to test this trend line. So we're going to keep this line here because it's going to play an important role as to whether or not this cryptocurrency is going to continue to go up. And then the next area that we're going to pinpoint is this pocket of buying right here. Okay, so the market needs to hold both of these areas in order for us to see a trend continue. Okay, it already held this pocket twice. It did it on the 9th and again on the 10th of December. So this tells us that at least there's some people within Mana that thinks this cryptocurrency is still a buy, or at least within the range of 51 cents to like 53 cents. They think that the market is a value at that particular price point. Now, just like we created the buyer's pocket, we are going to create the seller's pocket. Okay, so right now the sellers reside up here around like 65 to 68 cents. Okay, and the overall big majority of sellers is right here in the market in Mana. Now, we've been here before this year, so we shouldn't be astonished. We shouldn't be surprised that Mana decided to fall once price traded up here around 78 to 80 cents. We shouldn't be surprised because that's when the market topped out in the beginning of the year. We ran back up there towards the ending of this year, and you guys can see the reaction. So someone is up here selling Mana around 80 cents. So here it is on the 2. This is the last printed 2-day price bar right here in Mana. I don't like it in the sense of looking for price to go up. It resembles that the market is still weak and that the sellers are controlling price. Take a look at this on the 3. Not that bad. Here it is on the 4. The 4-day chart looks just like the 2. Okay. And we're starting out on a new 4-day price bar in Mana. So we definitely need to pay attention to how price trades in the upcoming 3 days. It looks as if the sellers are going to continue to try to push the price down, which is why we already identified these points to where we need to see the buyers hold. Okay. Here it is on the weekly chart. Then on the 2 weeks. Here it is on the 3. So in the next 4 days, 13 hours, keep in mind, this is going to be important on how strong or how weak the market's going to be in the longer term. Okay, right now it does look pretty weak. And that kind of resembles that the market may continue to go down. Here it is on the 330. Okay, so as of right now, I think the higher propensities for the market to trend lower. We've already identified where we need to see the market hold price. Let's say that it doesn't hold that pocket of buying there. Let's see if we can create another pocket. So we'll place one here. Yeah, that would probably be the next area. This is the biggest area on the daily chart for a pocket of buying. Now you can see where these pockets are in relation to the trend line, right? If a market in mana does not hold this first pocket of buying, then we are no longer in a trend, or at least an upward trend. We may be beginning a downward trend into the market in mana. So let me do this here. We're going to anticipate some lower prices in the market in mana, albeit I'm not that bearish. I'm not that weak into the market in mana. I would definitely become more bearish if price doesn't hold that pocket of buying right there. Okay, so this is going to be our first target, either at the high or the low of this pocket, which is around like 53 cents on the high, 51 cents on the low. On the low, that will give us 9.87%. Then our next target is going to be at the second pocket of buying, okay, which is what, 46 cents at the high to 45 cents at the low. All right, so that's it. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.